First, add your two video clips side by side on the timeline. Then, go to your project panel, right-click, and create a new adjustment layer. Drag the adjustment layer above your clips on the timeline. Now, place your playhead right in the middle of the two clips. Hold Shift plus left arrow to go back 5 frames, and cut the adjustment layer at that point. Then, now press Shift plus right arrow 3 times to go forward 15 frames. Cut the adjustment layer again and delete the extra parts so you're left with a short section in the center. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for ProCamp. Drag it onto your adjustment layer. In the Effect controls, go to the beginning of the layer and click the stopwatch next to brightness to start keyframing. Then, move your playhead to the center and increase the brightness to 100. After that, move to the end of the layer and bring the brightness back down to 0. That's it. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like next.